What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Well, it's a warm Wednesday. This actually went 2 weeks, so we'll see. I doubt that there's going to be too much of anything left in the feeding area. Yeah, this is like paper thin now. So yeah, they're slowly working on the plate. There's still a little bit of activity. Corn on the cob. At least this feeding area is still feeling nice and moist. Oh, the husk. I don't know what the heck that stuff was. I'll have to look at the last feeding. I know what that is. Grapes. Ooh, see a little mold in there? Okay. Okay, time for a quick fluffing. So I don't know if you guys seen it when I think I've talked about it before, but this has these grooves down at the bottom. So I try every once in a while to really clear them up. Just keep leaving that in the feeding zone so it keeps breaking down. My corn on the cob there. So before the feeding, I'm going to add a little more bedding, some cantaloupe, and I don't know if you can see, they're starting to form a little bit of white mold on it. It's okay because the worms will like that. And I got some carrots. I have my ground up eggshell. Don't have to go too wild. Get off my finger. And then I have some worm chow, which I ground up some expired oats, some cornmeal, and a little flour, and some ground up eggshell. So that's all mixed in. I'll pop that back for the feeding zone. And I've been ordering some more books on Amazon. So recycle this just like a box. So I'll actually use that as a kind of cover or top instead of putting another piece of newspaper. And then I'll add my bubble wrap. And once again, make sure it goes from one end to the other. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everybody have a great day.